In this video, I'll show you how you can fix your League of Legends client not opening. So these days, some people are having an issue with their client not being able to open, and I have a few ways that you can potentially fix this. Now, the first one is you're gonna go to your task manager. From in here, you're gonna click on details, and on the details, you're gonna find League of Legends. So just press anywhere and press L. Now from in here, you're gonna end task on the League client, just like that. And you're also gonna click and press R and see if there's any riot client open. As you can see, there's no riot client for me, so I'm just gonna not do any more. Then from in here, simply try and open League of Legends as you normally would. This helps to fix the issue for many people. But something else you can do is simply try restart your computer. If that also doesn't work, the last thing that you can try and do is uninstalling League of Legends. So go to your apps, from in here find League of Legends, press uninstall, and when you do this, also press Windows button, search for run, type in temp, T-E-M-P, okay, and delete all of these files. If it says that some of them cannot be deleted, just press skip. Then go to the Riot page and install League of Legends again. These should fix your issue, and if they did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.